The city awoke each morning to find new wonders. Overnight, blank walls transformed into vibrant murals, parks bloomed with colorful sculptures, and even the gray sidewalks sparkled with intricate chalk art. No one ever saw the artist, a mysterious force that worked under the cloak of darkness. People whispered about a magical being, a spirit of creativity that floated through the city. A young girl named Lily was fascinated. She decided to stay up one night to see if she could catch a glimpse of the artist. She sat by her window, watching as the moon cast long shadows across the buildings. As the clock chimed midnight, she noticed a faint shimmer in the air. It was like a ripple of light swirling around a plain wall. Soon, colors began to appear, dancing across the surface, forming a picture of a soaring bird. Lily watched in awe as the invisible artist worked with swift, fluid motions. The colors mixed and blended, creating a breathtaking scene. When the sun began to rise, the artwork was complete, and the shimmering light faded away. Lily was left with the memory of the artist's work and a sense of wonder. The city continued to benefit from the invisible artist, with each new creation leaving people inspired. The artist's anonymity only added to the charm, highlighting the pure, selfless act of creating beauty. The city thrived on this mystery, knowing that art could come from anywhere, even from an unseen hand. Every morning as the city woke up, people would look around, eager to see what new masterpieces had appeared, a testament to the power of anonymous creativity.